Hey, hey, dab, do the dab. Hey, 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 do the dab. Catch your shoes. Hey, 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 catch your. Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome to the vlog. I got reunited with some friends of mine that I haven't seen in a while. Pat and Bob, they've been married for like 52 years, and Pat is a sex ed teacher. So you know how this entire conversation that you're about to watch goes. They traveled all over the world, came back again, and they wanted to see me, and I sat down with them with a couple of my friends, and we had a very interesting conversation. We danced, we partied. It was amazing. All right, so let's check it out for yourself. All right, so future Jolan, back to you.
Sure. That's okay. Bob's never.
So am I getting food, or you getting food too? It's not a picture, it's a vlog, it's a video.
Idiot, you can warn me.
Yeah, so you guys both look like idiots on the camera. Hey, 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 dab, do the dab. Hey, 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 do the dab. Catch your shoes. Hey, 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 catch your socks. Lord, yeah, hey, hey. Oh, y'all crazy.
Whatever you do, whatever you have to do to keep these guys, whether it's a big raise or what, but you better do it because they're not here when we come back. We'll be pissed.
You break somebody's leg. So you're securing our job for the next few years, right? I love it. Keep doing it.
How many times have you been here now since 2015?
Love it. Alex, you alright, dog?
I'm good, bro.
Oh, God. Bob, you alright?
I'm okay.
Oh, jeez.
Thanks for inviting me.
You know what? You're welcome.
Cider. What the hell is that?
It's not apple. This apple juice.
It's apple cider.
It's apple juice.
Hard apple cider.
That's apple juice.
It's not apple juice.
That is water with alignment. Where are you going? Where are you going? What the hell is this? Where are you going? Bob! Bob! Where are you going? Come back.
Are they going to play the whip nay here?
Yeah.
Bob, what is that? There's not app. What the hell is this?
What the hell does that say?
This says. Okay. Well, that's not what I'm drinking here.
That is what you're drinking there.
Let me see.
So what are you trying to say? I'm what?
You're wrong.
I'm wrong?
That's what I'm saying. It's not cider, or it is cider. It's not apple juice.
Okay. Apple cider juice.
We're going out on the town Thursday night.
Huh?
The midget in Jamaica had a heart attack.
What midget?
The midget at Shades.
You went to Shades?
I've been monitoring.
What Shades? Alright,
The midget has got
Shades nightclub is a strip club in Ocho Rios, right? They have a little person, aka midget, because we Jamaicans don't give a shit, right?
volunteers from the
And
audience.
he has, I think they said it was like 15 inches long.
His penis is 15 inches long.
In that case, she's used to it. She's good. She's okay.
That's a midget.
He works at a strip club. He works at a strip club. He comes out with freaky night. The thing about it is, I was brought there on my 19th birthday.
Oh, wait a minute. He was brought to Shades at his 19th birthday.
I was-
Saw the midget 15 inches long.
They say it was
That's 5 of you.
You can't tell them that.
Oh God.
When I was a midget's age, it used to be as big. As I get older, it gets a little smaller. So it's not just my chest shrinks. It just keeps floating down. I hope you're not recording all this. Put that damn thing away.
Oh yeah, this is good. This is juicy conversation. I love this. I want this to go down in history. I want to go. Not only am I recording it here, I'm putting it on my computer. So I have it forever. Great. And everybody else in the world is gonna see it. Now I'm not gonna post this on social.
Yeah,
I'm not
right.
gonna post this on YouTube.
Well.
I am not. I am putting this on my company for me and my eyes only.
Yeah.
What are you going to do with it while you're watching it?
Huh?
I want to know what's he going to do while he's watching it.
I'm not gonna do anything. I'm not gonna do. Gosh.
I need to stop.
I'm not gonna be touching myself
Yeah, right.
while I'm watching this video.
See, he used the papaya tree.
What do you know about papaya tree?
We know.
Who told you about that?
Well,
tree?
that midget.
That's a
That midget
Jamaican
used to
thing.
do that.
That's a Jamaican thing.
I know it.
What did you hear about the papaya tree? What?
I heard about the papaya tree that
What
the
did you
midget.
hear?
That the midget was.
All the staff.
That the midget was hitting his whack against the papaya tree,
And it
that's how
got
he ended
bigger?
up with 15 inches.
It's an old myth. It's painful
So-
as hell. Not that I know.
So all I know is
Not that I know that if you beat your meat on papaya tree, it gets bigger. That shit hurts.
He didn't like the papaya.
Not that I know.
and then we learned something else.
Yeah, don't.
The darker the skin, the redder the punani.
Wait, say that again. Say that again. Say that again. Say that again. Say that again.
The darker,
Listen.
the darker the skin, the redder the punani.
Oh my God! And for all those who don't know what a punani is, it's the name of a female's.
It's a vagina.
Yeah.
It's a vagina.
Oh God.
The poo-poo. The what? The poo-poo.
And then if you're at St. Lucia, it's called a cocoon.
I get it.
Doesn't spell it, it's a stuffy poo-poo.
Oh God. Oh God. Alexia. Oh God.
In Jamaica, the penis is called a hooder or a buddy.
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 I didn't say
Don't
Lucia.
ever call me your
St.
buddy.
Lucia, it's called a gololo,
If it's
the
big.
big one. It's a T-lolo, the little one.
T-Lolo. Oh God.
So I used to have a gololo, and now as I got older, it's becoming a T-lolo.
I don't know how I'm gonna edit this. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh.
Take a while.
Why don't you just hit the delete button?
No. I'm not deleting this. This is going down. As I said, I'm not going to post this.
Yeah, I know
on
your
YouTube.
legs are crossed too.
That's gonna be vlog number 11.
No, 12. 13, because page is 12.
Oh, you're right. Okay.
That's right. Oh, you need another one?
Alright. I can't take any more. I ain't going to. Hey. Come on, Bob. Let's go. Let me go. Hey.
Megan's here to help for you. I know. She said I know she ain't moving, but no.
Black Stallion, baby. Black Stallion. Oh my God! Back at the crib, back at the crib. What can I say, man? Tonight was epic. Tonight was awesome. This is what happens when you haven't seen friends for a long time, man. I tell you. Oh my God, I am so tired right now. Killing it. That party was hype. Did a whip, nay, and all that good stuff. I was trying to DJ, I was trying to look a thing. You understand? But yeah, that was a night, guys. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe to the channel for more content. Turn the post notification on. Be a part of the movement. Be a part of the master movement, alright? And we're going universal and we ain't stopping, alright? Thank you very much. Peace, one love, and that easy. Oh!